Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today I am telling about you decorate your garden with these beautiful ideas using wooden crates. Wooden crates can be versatile and an inexpensive way to add charm and character to your garden. Here are some ideas to get you started. The first one is create a vertical garden by stacking crates on the top of each other and filling them with plants of flower. The number two is use crate as raised garden bed for growing vegetable or herbs. Turn a crate into a rustic outdoor side table by adding legs and a coat of paint. Number four is hang crates on the wall as shelving for displaying potted plants or garden decor. Number five is build a compost bin by stacking crates and filling them with organic waste. The number six is use crates to create a unique garden border or pathway. Number seven is turn a crate into a birdhouse by adding a roof and a hole for the entrance. With a little creativity, the possibilities for using wooden crates in your garden are endless. Look at these beautiful pictures. These all are very beautiful. So guys, you can decor your garden like this. These all are very beautiful. Look at this one picture. These are very beautiful pictures. Decor your garden with these beautiful ideas using wooden crates. Look at box plan. Look at this one picture. This one is very beautiful picture of garden. Yeah, you can decor your garden like this. Amazing style. Look at this one. Beautiful picture. Look at this one. So, wooden crate decor your garden. Decor your garden with these beautiful ideas. Are you looking for some creative way to decor your garden using wooden crates? Here are some ideas. Use them as a planters. Place a few potted plant inside the crate or use them